On Windows 11, if you are not carefully editing the registry, many problems could happen, which means that creating a backup of the entire registry is critical. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to backup registry on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Create a Restore Point. And click the top result to open the app. Under the Protection Settings section, select the System C drive and click the Configure button. Select the Turn on System Protection option. Click the Apply button and click the OK button. Select the System Drive C. Click the Create button. Confirm a name the Windows 11 Registry Backup. Click the Create button. Click the Close button. Once you complete the step, the system will create a restore point that includes system file, install application, system settings, and more importantly, a backup of the entire registry database. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.